Hello, summer is here. Now, if you're anything like me, you're ready to be out of the winter months. You're ready to enjoy some sunshine, maybe some rain or some things like that come along with it. But most importantly, it's the outdoors. I love being outside in the summer, whether it's playing tennis, swimming in the backyard, walking the corridor, or even sharing my outdoor space with my friends and family. I wanted to send you a video of some ideas of how you can celebrate your home, celebrate your space, and bring people into this delightful summer weather that we're about to have. I put a couple of ideas below, some of which I really connect with. For example, I love having bonfires out back, block parties. I'm really big on connecting with our street. But mostly, I just want to throw a couple ideas out there so that you could start to build connections with your community because we all know how shut in we get during these winter months. If you want to talk about some of these logistics, maybe you're looking for a fire pit or something like that to put on your patio. Maybe you want to do some work in your outdoor space or to be able to host friends outside in the future months. I would love to have those conversations with you. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. Let me know how I can help. And I expect to see an invite coming through for one of these pretty quick here. I can't wait to talk soon.